Hello students of 8th class. Today we are going to start a chapter number 3, squares and square roots. So students, in the previous classes we have studied about the square of number, which is obtained by multiplying the number itself. So in this class we are going to discuss how to find the square roots. Before start the topic, I will tell you some facts related to square roots. So first of all, square of positive or negative number is always positive. Square of even number is always even, and square of odd number is always odd. What I say means, if there is a -2, right, you have square of -2, that is what? That is 4 with positive sign. And if you have to find the square root of 2, that is say 4, right? Now this is an even number, right? And square of even number is again even, right? And square of odd, like 3 is odd, when you write the square of odd number, that is 9, means square of even number is even and square of odd number is odd, right? Now students, I will tell you what is a square. The square of a number is a product obtained when multiplying a number itself. Means 7 multiplied 7, means 7 is again multiplied by 7, or it is multiplied by itself, and that result which we get, that is called the square of that number. Square of that number. Now students, today we are going to start about a square root. Now what is a square root? The square root of a given number is that number when multiplying by itself give the original number. Means there is a 36, right? We have to find the square root of 36. Then how we have to find the square root of 36, which is equals to 6 multiply 6, means opposite to square. Now in this class we discuss the method to find the square root. So first method is square root by prime factorization method. Okay student, first of all, you know what is a prime number? I will tell you what is a prime number. So prime number is that number which is divided by itself or its factor. It has just only 2 factors, 1 and itself. For example, prime number is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 up to so on. So with the use of these numbers we have to find out the square root of a number. See, there is a first question, 2916. We have to find the square root by prime factorizations method. By prime factorizations method, first of all, 2 1s are 2, 4 2s are 8, there is 1, 5, 8, again 2 pay 7, 2 2s are 4, 9. Now it goes on 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. Now 81, again 3, that is 27, 3, 9, 3, 3, 3, 1, right? Now make a pair. First of all, write all the factors. 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3, 3, 3 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 3, and 2 times 2. Now after that make a pair. Make a pair. First of all, this is a pair, this is a pair, this is a pair, and this is a pair. Take a 1 common from each pair. Now take a 2 from there, 3 from there, 1 3 from there, and 1 3 from there. Now 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 3s are 54. So this is a square root of 2916. This is what? This is a square root of 2916. Now there is another method, 676. Now that goes on 3, again 2, and 13, 13s are 116, 9. Now take a 2 common and 13 common, 13 2s are 20, 6 is your answer, right? Now second question, find the smallest number is 3888 should be multiplied so that product is a perfect square. So first of all find the smallest number. So first of all we have to find the square root. 2 9 7 2, again 2, again 2, 193. So first of all 2 ones are 2, there is 1 9 4 4, again 9 7 2, again it's divided by 2, we get 3 2s are 4 2s are 8, there is 4, 4 2s are 8, and 8 2s are 16, 6 2s are this, and after that there is 2 4 3, sorry, there is 2 4 3, and 3 is divided by 2 4 3, we get 81, and 81 is divided by 3, we get 27, and again it is divided by 3, we get 9, again divided by 3, we get 3, and 3 1 3. Write all these multiples, that is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, 3 multiply 3, 3 multiply 3, and 3, right? Now make a pair, this one, this one, this one, and this one, and this is not in a pair, right? Now what is the question? Question is find the smallest number by which 388 should be multiplied so that product is a perfect square. So see, this is in a pair, 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 but 3 is not a pair. So that number which are not in a pair, we have to multiply with that number so that it become a perfect square. So 3 is that number which make it a perfect square. So 3 is the number which make it perfect square, right? With this the concept of find the square root by prime factorization method is complete, and try to solve all the questions. Thank you and have a nice day.